Coming soon to Windows Paint. The background removal tool is available to Windows insiders in the Canary and developer distribution channels. If you're running version 1.2306.30.0 of the Paint app, let me show you what it can do. As you can see, I've opened an image in Windows Paint, and it shows me and it shows a background. Suppose I only want me in here and I want to get rid of that background. There's a new tool that's been added into this release of Windows Paint. You'll notice this says remove background. So let me select that and no more background. So therefore, now you see it, now you don't. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching and listening.